What is going on, commandos? What is going on, family, future grandchildren? Those of us in the good mood today, I hope you're having a continued good mood. Those of us who are not in such a good mood, I pray that you have a good mood, you know what I'm saying, and it gets better for you. Yeah, man, I'm preparing for this run down to Key West. So right now, Casper's all loaded up, solid, cameras in place, phone mount looking good, tire pressure checked, you know what I'm saying, fuel levels checked, everything's good, the fluids are good, right? So that's my bag right there. That's what I'm rocking to Miami, you know what I'm saying? I just sat on a bike, so far so good. It looks pretty good. I think I should be pretty comfortable. Well, good morning. It is 2:55 a.m. here in the coastal empire, and I am getting myself together and making sure my last minute preparations and things can fit. You know what I realized? I'm going away for almost 10 days, right? Yeah, okay, 10 days. I said 8 earlier, but it's really like 9.5 or something like that. And the issues I got, I just realized I fit everything on my bike except my CPAP. And I got to have the CPAP. So give me a few minutes while I figure this one out. I maybe ended up taking up one of my Rigg and Nelson and Riggs bags. I was able to get my CPAP in here without having to add an extra bag. I hate adding bags to my tour pack myself personally. I like one bag in my trunk spaces to fit until I get to my hotel area personally, because me personally, I just like to be symmetric with my look and the way I ride. You know, it's not about like what other people think, it's just how I feel. I think it's I want to say an OCD thing. I just gotta look like my bike is neat. I'm neat. Like my car. It's kind of like when guys would wash their cars every 5 minutes, right? I was one of those guys back in the day. It's just really about making sure that I look symmetric, so I feel like I ain't losing anything or anything like that, or missing anything. It's like I said earlier, you know, I don't want straps hanging down. I don't want extra bags that unnecessarily, you know, take up space. I can fit everything I can. Everything I need, I must fit into its pockets. It's the whole purpose of it, right? One thing I don't like to do either is I don't like to stop for everything, right? When I'm riding straight through, like I got a purpose right now. I'm looking to go meet up with the Ride Fit Nation. I'm not like in a rush. It's 2:55, 3 o'clock in the morning. You know, I'm gonna take my time, get out before it gets super hot. This is like tricks of the trade that I've learned from like senior riders. So, I'm gonna get out while it's dark. I don't usually ride while it's dark, but because it's super hot, so already 79, 80 degrees here in the coastal empire, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get out early, got my dry fit on, I'm gonna throw on my vest, you know, and my Tech Air 3 leather vest to ride out in, and I'm gonna, you know, try to catch some cool air, because as I get closer to Florida, I'm sure it's gonna warm up super hot. I also don't like to buy snacks when I'm on the road if I don't have to, right? Like I'm a real weirdo that way. I actually carry a snack bag and all that. I won't say a weirdo in that way, but like I don't, you know, $4 for a candy bar, you know, $15 for a bottle of water, you know what I'm saying? You gotta keep in mind the budget that you're working with, you know. If you ain't no independently millionaire rich dude, then I suggest you consider, you know, taking your own snacks with you as well. One thing you gotta learn is how to pack. If you don't know how to pack, you're gonna have a hard road on this road, you know what I'm saying? I had to learn how to pack. That's one of the things I definitely had to learn how to do. So I'm on my way out, man. What's going on, commandos? It's your boy, Bike Life Commando, the Zilla. I'm out here in some unknown area of Florida. I crossed over the state line. I'm like 20 miles in, maybe 30 miles in. So I was just under 60 or 50 gallons of gas. So I figured I'd fill up, stretch my back out, try to adjust my rig a little bit, been having a little bit of trouble with my rig, just a little. So I only the back padding part of it. What's going on, everybody? We out here in Jacksonville, Florida. I done met some people who they do gold wings. They got the gold wing life going. So I'm doing this for Sensei at the Rye-Fish Station, who loves the gold wings. You know what I'm saying? We got the people out here. We got Jackie, we got Tatiana, and it just so happens we all from Savannah, Georgia, rolling somewhere. You know what I'm saying? So it's all good. So what you getting done in your seat? Tell me what you getting done in your seat.
Oh, well, we headed down to Six Saddles in Lakeland, Florida. I'm getting extra cushion for my seat. They have different leather styles. I haven't decided if I want to go like that old school Diamondback style or if I just want to get a different type of leather. So
okay,
they have a bunch of different ones.
Nice, yeah. Nice. And you getting something done in your seat too?
No, I already got my. She got a Corvette.
Oh, you got a Corvette?
She got a Corvette.
Oh, she got the money. So apparently I'm an hour away from the Rye-Fish Nation. So I'm about to hop on this highway at 2 o'clock, wake up 2 days in a row. Goodness gracious. I'm exhausted by the time I hit my final destination. Anyway, I'm about to do this run real quick. Then I'm gonna head out to the Keys. And then I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Hey, it was supposed to be a ride along, but it was more like a meetup. I finally caught these jokers. We out here. We almost there. Anyway, what's up there to the Rye-Fish Nation? Sensei, what's happening? No, he's trying to work out. He's trying to work out. All right, commandos. We just took a break real quick. We're on the, I don't even know where we at. We're at Circle K though, I can tell you that. But what city is this? Are we still in this Key Largo? No. No, where we at? We don't know. It's Key something. We in one of the keys. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know. You said, oh yeah, say it again. What is it?
Esmeraldo, I think.
Key, well, we'll figure it out. Esmeraldo, I don't know. We about 55 miles from the Keys. We're gonna make it down probably another 45 minutes or so. You see the leader of the pack right there, Sensei, bow down. You know what I mean? We out here doing what we do, and we're gonna make it safe. But I'll check back in with y'all. But look at them Rye-Fish Nation. That's the Sensei, man. Every time he stops somewhere, do 25, 30. Me, I'm getting the daggone cereal bar. But look at that. Go ahead, Rye-Fish Nation.
Come on, baby, let's go.
Yeah.
You're never too old for damn push-ups.
Never too old. That's what he say. That's what he say.
Them push-ups, you gotta do your push-ups, your squats.
Yeah, man.
Your sit-ups.
He gotta get it.
You gotta get it done.
You gotta get it in. We are out here. I believe we are at the farmost southern region of the United States back there. I'm about to go catch me some photos. You see them all lined up over here. We in here. You know what I'm saying? ATL chapter. There we go. We got the Queens of Harley right there. They got to give me that same energy. Listen. I'm out here with my guy Solo. I am Bread, ATL up in here. You know what I'm saying? We doing what it do. So you had Coast Guard, Marines, Air Force. No, you had no Coast Guard.
No Coast Guard.
So everybody in your family was in something except the Coast Guard. Coast Guard, step your game up, man. You could have had somebody. You know what I'm saying? Step your game up, Coast Guard. Y'all done left one member of his family out. Come on now. Listen, look at this right here. Somewhere out there is Cuba. About 90 miles, I don't know where. I gotta look at the sign in front, but look at this right here. Look at this. I don't think I've been to the coast beach in a long time. I'm feeling very at peace, man. I do wish a special family member or two were out here to enjoy this. I might have to come back in the car and make sure they absorb this. I'm with some good people right now, as you can see. We out here in Key West enjoying this view. I really don't have a lot to say except it's beautiful. Right over there is the NAS down there, Naval Air Station. There's, the fence is blocking it off, you know, it says government property, but look at this right here. Absolutely, absolutely awesome. Man. If you ask me what today brought me, I would tell you it brought me peace. It was an excellent moment in time that I hope will transcend my existence on this planet as I attempt to share through this format with my children and their children and their children's children how beautiful and great our country is and everything in it that is awesome and what it brings. Great people, awesome friends, great trips, the ability to be at peace in a single moment, and hopefully it brings you clarity. Shout outs to Rod Fit Nation and my brother Sensei. I Am Bread, ATL chapter. Thank y'all. Thank you for being a part of all that I have experienced today. Thank you for being a friend. I want to thank everyone who came and participated today. It was awesome. I could ask for nothing better than a sunny day, open road, great weather, good friends, and a tank full of gas. Thank you for all you do. Thank you for being my friend. You already know what it is. If you got a bike in your garage collecting dust, pull it out, dust it off, gas it up, and enjoy the ride.